Right now, inside your body, there is a pile of biological trash. Dead proteins and broken cells that are literally rotting your tissues from the inside out. Most of us never stop eating long enough to clear this waste, leading to rapid aging and brain fog. But there is a hidden reset button in your DNA. A process so powerful it won the 2016 Nobel Prize in Medicine. It's called autophagy. Autophagy literally means self-eating. When you fast, your body stops looking for energy from food and starts recycling itself. It identifies the weakest, oldest parts of your cells and breaks them down into raw materials to build brand new, youthful structures. Research from MIT and Stanford confirms that this isn't just weight loss. It's a physical recycling of your biological age at a cellular level. To flip this switch, you must hit the 16-hour mark. Studies show that after 16 hours, insulin drops, and a protein called AMPK takes over, the master switch for cellular repair. Try the 16-to-8 protocol. Finish dinner by 8 p.m. and don't eat until 12 p.m. the next day. This 4-hour deep repair window is where the magic happens. The most powerful longevity tool is free. Stop the rot. Start the reset. Join the Ageless Brain Lab by subscribing for more simplified science. Stay sharp.